Hello guys and welcome to the Accelpix. In this video we will know how to use the Excel plugin with our data feed. Now in case if you are wondering how Excel can help you in the trading, then let me inform you. Excel allows traders to create highly customized tracking template according to their specific strategies and requirements. Now this flexibility is essential in today's rapidly changing environment of trading, and Excel also enables traders to input and analyze real-time market data which help in the decision-making process of a particular trader. So, having said that, let us quickly understand the setup procedure of Excel with our data feed. Now, before we starting, I would like to inform you two essential things which needed to use the Excel with our data feed. Number one, you need to have an Excel version 2010 or above. Number two, you need to have valid Pix Connect plan which is elite or above plan. So if you are matching the above requirements, then let's get started. So as you can see, I'm on our website which is accelpix.com, and I'm on download page of our website. So let me scroll down, and now I am clicking on the download button for Excel plugin. So here you will get three options. Number one, Excel sample template for elite subscribers. Then we have the template for pro and ultimate subscriber, and then we have the Excel setup file. Now, if you want to use the option chain in Excel, then you need to have the second template, and as it is clearly mentioned, for the second template you need to have the pro and ultimate plan. But let's say if you don't want to use the option chain and you just need the formula and the real-time data and you want to create your own customized template, then you can use the first template, which is the Excel sample template for elite subscriber. Now before downloading those two templates, let me quickly download the Excel setup file. So I'm clicking on the Excel setup file. So here we have three options, but we need to download the second option, which is Pix Excel plugin any CPU.exe, because if you download this file, it will work on any of the operating system. So let me click on that, and now I'll also download the same. So I have downloaded the file. Now let me quickly install it. So I'm clicking on open file, install, and it is installing. Finish. Will also install this Accelpix Excel add-in. So I'm clicking on install again and close. I will also install both of the templates. So let me get back to my templates. So first we'll install the Excel sample template, which is live sample with formulas. I'm clicking on download. So we have downloaded it. Let me quickly download the option chain template as well. So I'm clicking on download again. Yeah, so we have downloaded both of the templates. So I have opened the live sample with formula template in my Excel. Now whenever you install the Excel plugin, first thing you need to check right away is the Accelpix add-in option, which must be present in the menu bar of Excel. So now let me go to the Accelpix add-in option, and here we need to click on the connect button. So I'm clicking on the connect button, and as you can see, the data is updating in real as I am recording this video during the live market. Now let us understand each and every option that this template offers to us. Starting with open, so it is of course the open price of a particular symbol, and as you can see, I have added the symbol across the segment. So some of the symbols are of equity, some of from index segment, and some of from F and O segment. So first we have the open price, then we have the high, which is the day's high, day's low, then we have the previous close, which is basically the yesterday's close for a particular symbol. Then we have the volume, which is updating every second. Then we have the POI, which is the previous OI. Now that is the yesterday's OI for a particular symbol. Then we have the current OI. And as you know from the NSE end, the OI will be keep updating at every 3 minutes. Yes, at every 3 minutes. So here also it will get updated at every 3 minutes. Then we have the average price. Then we have bid quantity, ask quantity according to NSE level 1 data. Then we have the last traded quantity, and we have the last traded price, which is also, as you can see, updating at every second. Now I'm absolutely thrilled and absolutely excited to inform you about 3 unique features that only Accelpix is providing. Yes, I want to say it again, only Accelpix is providing it. Now let us understand those 3 features. Number 1 is the time. This is the LTT. It is the last or latest traded time. And as you can see, I am recording this video near the market ending time, and as you can see, I am able to see the last traded time for each and every symbol, and it provides us the information when the last trade happens in a particular symbol, and it is extremely important, particularly in the case of low volatile stocks. Then we also have the option of lot, so it will basically gives you the lot size for each and every symbols. Now you don't need to Google it, you can check it right away in your Excel template only. Then we have the expiry, so it basically gives us the next expiry of a particular symbol. Believe me guys, we have received a lot of requests to add these features to this template, and Accelpix fulfills your requirements and start providing these amazing and unique features to you that nobody else is providing currently. So previously we have seen the live sample formula template, and now let's see the ultimate option chain template. This is for the pro and ultimate subscribers. Here we need to change the options expiry settings. So the symbol name is Bank Nifty, range 100, date. The next expiry is on 24th. So let me select 24th. Month is July. Here is 24. So we have selected. Let us go to Accelpix add-in option and click on the connect button again. Here we go. So as you can see, we have different columns here in this template. So let's start understanding them. The first of all, we have the interpretation. Then we have the PCR. This is with respect to the volume. So this is basically the put call ratio of each and every strike price. Then we have the OI change, price change, volume. As you can see, it is keep updating every second. Then we have the current OI, change in OI, and POI. So change in OI is basically the difference of current OI and the POI. Then we have the change in price, previous close, and LTP, and again change in price is the difference of LTP and the previous close. The same values we have on the put side as well, but here we have the PCR with respect to the OI. So this is the option chain weekly template. We also have the option chain monthly template. Here also we need to change the options expiry settings, but here we only need to change the month as it is the monthly expiry template. So in the month, let me select July. Here is 24, Nifty, range 100, all okay. Here we go. As you can see, this is the results for option chain monthly expiry. Again, we have the same values which is there in the option chain weekly template. You are also able to see the respective future and index symbol also here. As you can see, it is also updating in real time, open, high, low, LTP, previous close, and last traded time as we discussed earlier. And now again, I'm double energized to inform you about the unique features that only Accelpix is providing to their customers. So guys, again, in this template, we also have some unique features. So basically, at the end of each column, a client will get a drop-down menu. So if I click here, I am getting the multiple options: average, count numbers, max, mean, sum, standard deviation, variation, etc. So let's say if I click on average, then I'll get the average of the entire column. Let's say if I click on the sum, then it will give me the sum of the entire column. And same we can follow with each and every column. So let's say in this current OI column, if I click on the sum, it will give me the sum for all the open interest value for each and every strike price. If I click on the average, again it will give me the average for the entire column. And guys, this is again one such feature for which we have received the many requests. So the client have demanded and the Accelpix has provided. Have you ever seen this feature with any other data vendor? No, not at all, right? So this is again the unique feature which only Accelpix is providing to their clients. And it's not over yet. Now let's understand the Accelpix add-in menu bar option. So under the Accelpix add-in option, we have three sub options. Number one, as you know, it is the connect disconnect button, of course. Then we have the option of settings, and in the settings option, a client will have his CRN number. Then a client can choose at what time interval he wants his data to refresh. So here by default the 1 second is selected, means that your data will keep updating at every second, but you can always customize this time, and this is one unique feature which only we are providing. Now, if you want every minute updation of your data, then you can select the 60-second here. In the same way, you can select your desired time frame here. So at that time frame, your data will keep updating in real time. And this feature is not providing by many of top data vendors. So this is once again a unique feature which is provided by us only. And in the same way, you can select the auto connect. So basically whenever you start the Excel, your data feed will automatically be connected. You can enable or disable this option as per your requirement. And then we have the symbol subscription. So it is basically the symbol request, total number of symbol requests sent to the server from your Excel. It should be within your plan symbol limit. And now let us understand the last option, but a very important and very unique option, that is the history data. So let me click on the history data. So basically client can download the history data of a particular symbol according to his subscription plan. To give you an example, if a client has an elite plan, then he can download 60 days of minute data for a particular symbol. He can download 5 days of tick data and 10 years of EOD data for a given symbol. So to give you an example, here I have selected the Nifty underscore I option, which is by default always be selected. And the first option, which is EOD data, then we have the IOD, and then we have the tick data. So let's say first we'll select the EOD data. So symbol Nifty underscore I, EOD data, and here we need to select the start date, end date. So let me select it. So the 18/6/2024 to 18/7/2024, basically it is 1 month data. So let me click on get data. And here we go. As you can see, within a few seconds the data has been downloaded. I would also like to mention one another feature that again Accelpix is only one who are providing to their clients. Now, if you have observed with the different data vendors, to download the data for every minute or to download the data of a 5-minute or 10-minute period, you need to enter the formulas again and again. In fact, in some of the data vendors, you will not have the customization to download the data for a particular time frame. Let's say you are only able to download the 1-minute data, but you are not able to download the 7-minute data. So Number one, you don't have the customization of downloading the particular time frames data. Number two, you need to enter the formula again and again each and every time, which is very tedious and very boring process. But with the help of Accelpix data plugin, you can download and you can do all this process in one single click.
So let me click on the IOD data. Here we also need to select the start date and end date. So let me download the last 1 week data from 11 to 18 July 2024. The resolution by default will be selected as 5 minutes. It means that the downloaded data will be of 5-minute time frame. You can change it as per your desired time frame. You can change it to 1 minute if you want to download the data for every minute. If you want to download the data for every 7 minutes, then you can select 7. Let me select the 5 and let me click on the get data. So as you can see, within a few seconds the data has been downloaded again. And now let us download the tick data as well. So I'm clicking on tick data. So this is the today's date, 18/7/2024. Let me select the 9:15:00. So basically I want the data from the start of the market, and let me click on the get data. As it is a tick data, it may take a few seconds of time. And yeah, as you can see, the tick data has been downloaded.
So that's it from my side. I think I have conveyed all the features to you, and I think Excel is one of the very convenient and very easy yet a very useful tool for the analysis. And as I already mentioned, we have some of the unique features that no other data vendor is providing. And in fact, we are most welcoming your new feedbacks. We will definitely work on it and will keep improving your user experience. So, thank you so much.